Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. So in this video, we will write 10 lines paragraph on sports. So let's start. Number 1. Sports are very important in life. Number 2. Sports keep our body healthy and fit. Number 3. There are many kind of sports. Number 4. Football, cricket, hockey, badminton, basketball are some famous sports. Number 5. It play an important part in improving physical and mental health. Number 6. Different sports have different rules and regulation. Number 7. It increases our focus and concentration. Number 8. Sports are played all over the world. Number 9. It keep our body strong and healthy. Now last, number 10. Everybody should make sports a part of their life. If you like this video then please give a like, and you are new in my channel then subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for the more information. And if you are looking this video from Instagram or Facebook then follow our page. Don't forget to comment next topic. So now we will meet in next video. So bye bye.